Mike, would you like to begin by telling us a bit about Renmatix and what you do?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Sam. So Renmatix has a unique way to disassemble cellulosic biomass and extract them into their valuable sugar components. These sugar components we can then act on and ferment or catalytically convert into renewable chemicals or fuels with our partners. So we have a disruptive way to enable the bio-based renewable chemicals and fuels future.
Excellent. Well, there are a couple of other companies in the space. So what's unique about Renmatix?
Economics. Our technology is disruptive technically, but also on an economic basis. Lowest cost conversion technology of cellulosic biomass into their carbon forms of sugar. And we deploy a unique technology, and we've engineered it to deliver very favorable economics, competitive with people in value chains that are making chemicals or fuels. So we spend as much time on the economics as we do the technology.
Excellent. And how does Renmatix's product interface with the existing supply chains?
Great question. So, our industry is very capital intensive and capital starved. The build out of biorefineries will not be easy. I think it will require large multinational companies willing to put their balance sheet to work. So our approach has been we will license our technology to those partners. For example, some of our early partners are BASF, the world's largest chemical company, UPM, one of the world's largest forestry, pulp and paper mill companies, one upstream, one downstream in terms of the conversion of biomass, and then ultimately its downstream use into chemicals or fuels.
So what's the next big frontier for Renmatix?
We're close in project development work with our partners, looking on specific procured biomass from where they're likely to build a biorefinery. And we anticipate in the next 18 months we'll get through all that development work with them. And hopefully in 2015, one, if not more of them, will announce a biorefinery commitment and capacity build somewhere in North America, Europe, Asia, Latin America, to be determined. And we begin the rollout of the capital, our licensing model, but more importantly, the capacity build of this biorefinery capability. And for our early partners, it's more chemical specific.
So it looks like Renmatix is solving a really important problem in the biofuel sector of sidestepping the issue of food versus fuel.
Yeah.
So what is critical about Renmatix's process that enables that?
Well, our process is a chemical process, so we have what I call a wide mouth. We can take many forms of biomass. And so we're more focused on non-food forms of biomass, cellulosic biomass, things such as softwood, hardwood materials. One of our early investors is actually Waste Management, has fractions of municipal solid waste, and we're working with some of those materials. So we believe we can enable a lot of the non-food forms of biomass and convert them, repurpose them into useful sugars, which are then the starting point to make renewable chemicals and fuels.
Excellent. Well, with that, I wish you all the best of luck with your venture, and congratulations on becoming one of our 2014 New Energy Pioneers.
Great. Thank you, Sam. Thank you.